time for another Brooklyn Music Factory Blam game, and this one is called Melody Memory Maker. And you're on level 1. This game is going to challenge you to listen to a melody that is going to slowly get longer and longer and longer until your musical memory literally explodes. You're going to start with your first finger on middle C of the piano, and the melody is going to grow from middle C out all the way up to a third above. That's C, D, and E. Let's try playing Melody Memory Maker Level 1. Here's your first melody, melody number 1. Great work! Let's move on now to melody number 2. Great listening. Let's move on now to melody number 3. Come on now, one melody to go. Here's melody number 4. And that's another Brooklyn Music Factory Blam game level completed. Congratulations.